Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these garlic butter chicken meatballs. I've got my apron on. Now let's make these garlic butter chicken meatballs. So these chicken meatballs are super easy to make. We're going to start with 1 pound of ground chicken. And if you can't find ground chicken, you can use ground turkey. It's really versatile that way. And you could also use ground beef. So I like to dump the ground chicken into a bowl and start to fluff it up, just so we can really get all of our ingredients incorporated without over mixing our meatball mixture. So I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese. This is just the powdered Parmesan cheese with the little container with the green lid. A 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, and I love fresh chopped parsley in my meatballs, so I'm going to add a lot of chopped fresh parsley and 2 chopped cloves of garlic. And I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil just to keep our meatballs from drying out. And now let's stir this all together. Now, ground chicken is very moist, so I don't like to add an egg usually. So we're gonna bake these meatballs. You could fry them in a skillet. There's nothing wrong with that, but I would rather bake them. It's just so much less babysitting. So I'm going to scoop out my batter into even portions with a scooper, and then I'm gonna roll them up. Okay, these are ready. They're going to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, we've got our meatballs ready. They smell so good. So now we're gonna make this quick garlic butter sauce. Of course, we're going to start with butter, 6 tablespoons. We're going to melt our butter over about medium heat. While that is melting, I'm going to grate the garlic into the butter, just so our sauce doesn't have chunks of garlic. It'll be nice and smooth. I've got 2 cloves of garlic. Get that all melted in there. I'm also going to add in the juice of 1/2 lemon. So about 1 tablespoon. That smells so good. And season with a little salt and pepper. I'm going to use a fine salt. Okay, I've got my meatballs here. Let's pour some sauce over top. This looks so good. So let's get a bite. Really get lots of garlic butter sauce on my meatball. Oh. That is so good. Be sure you check out this recipe. It is easy and delicious, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.